AI agents are transforming businesses as super smart digital assistants that learn, decide, and act independently. Citi's research suggests their economic impact could surpass the Internet's. There are several key categories of AI agents: rule followers, planners, optimizers, learners, and team players. Each has its own strengths and applications. To ensure responsible use, leading organizations have provided clear guidelines: put people first, test thoroughly, maintain transparency, prevent discrimination, manage risks, keep human oversight, and follow regulations. GBAC recommends specific actions for boards: establish clear policies, track AI agent usage, conduct regular audits, manage the full AI lifecycle, and report on governance. Training is crucial for everyone from the board to frontline employees. The benefits are clear: reduced costs, increased efficiency, better customer service, and proactive problem-solving. Cloud providers like Amazon, Google, and Microsoft offer best practices emphasizing fairness, security, and responsible deployment. As board members, we must ensure our company is prepared while maintaining proper oversight. Our decisions today will shape how this technology serves our company and stakeholders tomorrow.